Welcome to the best resource online for building apps with Ethereum and Solidity. My name is Stephen Greider, and I'm a web engineer with 12 years of programming experience. I authored this course to share the knowledge I've gained in that time with you. The number one goal of this course is to make sure that you are not wasting any more time copy-pasting code into your code editor. We are going to explore every bit of syntax step by step to make sure that you understand exactly what we're building. I built this course to make sure that you don't have to spend any more time on confusing, out-of-date, or incomplete tutorials again. In this course, you'll learn how to create interesting and compelling applications using Ethereum and the Solidity programming language. Absolutely no previous experience or knowledge of Ethereum or Solidity is required. We will cover all relevant topics to make sure that you understand what Ethereum is and why you would want to create an application with it. Ethereum and blockchain technologies are one of the greatest advancements in recent years, and companies cannot hire engineers with knowledge of these technologies fast enough. I place extra emphasis on building projects in a scalable, production-ready way. No shortcuts at all, we only do things the right way. Every topic includes discussions about why and where we would use each of these examples. The entire course is hosted on udemy.com with easy-to-follow videos and an entire Git repository with all the course's code. Sign up today and be the cutting-edge engineer who gets to teach others the latest in web technology. Sign up today and build the Ethereum applications you've always dreamed about.